Hey, what's going on? Jay Hagstrom here. Today I'm gonna make you a gimlet, which is a classic cocktail. Super easy to make, 3 ingredients. The reason why I wanna make this is because once you know how to make this, you can turn it into several other cocktails and make up your own cocktails as well, as long as you know the ratio that I make this. So I'm gonna make it for you now, and then afterwards I'm gonna explain what you can do to switch it up, all right? In jiggers we trust. Gonna do 3/4 ounce simple syrup. Boom. 3/4 ounce of fresh lime juice. Two ounces. Ice. Shake that up. So there you have it, the gimlet. If you remember that 2, 3/4, 3/4, it's very easy to switch this up and make other cocktails out of it. So for example, if you have, let's say, white rum at home and you want to use that instead of gin, you put 2 ounces of rum, same amount of sugar and lime, and boom, all of a sudden you have a daiquiri. And daiquiri is also, I'm sure you've heard of it, it's also a classic cocktail. So now you know 2 classic cocktails that are pretty much the same, you just switch out the spirit. Very simple. Well, I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, please hit the like button, subscribe, and I will see you soon. All right, take care.